today we've just hit 100 subscribers, and that is, guys, absolutely phenomenal for me to hit 100 subscribers. Like, it's like
what is going on, guys? It is Axion and welcome to another brand new video. Alright guys, so in this video I am going to be talking about how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. And as you guys know, that getting the first 100 subscribers on YouTube is really important subscribers milestone. So without further ado, let's get into this. And before we get into this video, let's try to smash 10 likes for this video. And yeah, let's get into this video. So as you guys know, the 100 subscribers mark is a really big milestone for smaller channels who are starting out on YouTube, and the 100 subscribers is a really good way to get your ball rolling on YouTube. So, and I think many people I have known struggle to even hit the 100 subscribers milestone. Well, some people do it really easily and some just really can't achieve, and I was one of them, since growing my channel was really hard time for me. So after getting 430 subscribers, I know how to get about 100 subscribers pretty much. These are the tricks that will surely help you to get 100 subscribers. So the first tip is uploading consistently, and I think everyone on YouTube has ever tell you this tip. Well, this is the most important, that's why I'm putting it on the number one type of this video. So uploading consistently, what it does help you, if you just upload consistently for 1 week or 2 weeks, you are going to see that your views are going to scroll up. Like, if you start with 10 views per day, you're going to start growing with about 20 to 30 views, and you're going to gradually starting to increase the views on your videos. And you're going to see that it's not going to be dramatic change, but you're definitely going to differentiate between your old videos and your new videos. And yeah, this is the first tip: upload consistently on YouTube. This is the most important thing. Now, second tip is collaborating. Now, what I mean by collaborating is go and find channels which are of your size. Don't go and ask a channel with about 15,000 subscribers to collaborate with you, because that is not going to be a real good strategy. And I don't even think that someone with 15,000 subscribers will even bother talking to you. Well, that's kind of rude, but it is. The someone who you're talking to has made that milestone with quite a lot of work, so you should consider that and not being calling people bad or rude. Yeah, right? So find people or friends who are about your size and try to make videos with them. Collaboration videos are the best videos to grow for both of the channels. And yeah, this is a really important trick. I haven't collaborated since I've started. The only one I've collaborated with is Flame Dennis, alright, aka Flame Dennis, yeah, Flame X Games, aka Dennis, and that commentary did really well. I got about 10 subs from that. So yeah, collaborating is a really good way to grow on YouTube. Yeah, seriously, it is really good. Now, third is making tutorials and how-tos. Well, if you take a close look on my channel, you can see I have a lot of how-to videos and tutorials. And why do I keep making them? Well, tutorial and how-to videos are the most videos which gets the most views, and this is practical. You know, Ziovo, yeah, his main best of the videos are tutorial videos. Well, he had his original content. No one made thumbnails like him, never before, and that's why the reason he is growing so fast. Now, you should consider that you need to just invent your own thumbnail styles, or your banner, or your video designs, or your intros. You know, I make this kind of little skip thingy intros which are really fun to watch, and it just gets the viewer hooked up to the video, and he or she, whoever is watching, looks forward to the video. And this is an also important tip: try to hook your viewers under 10 seconds. And yeah, and the fourth tip is making original or doing original videos. Well, this is something every YouTuber struggles with, alright, and you have quite a lot of time to experiment different things on your channel and see what does the viewers like, or what do you think you have the most interest in. My channel was based on gaming before, but now usually I do commentaries, tutorials and skits. Well, I'm not out of gaming, but I'm trying to find a way in which I can fulfill my dream of making a gaming channel and also making skits and tutorials and commentaries at the same time. So that's why I have the GTA gameplay in the background. So I have that GTA flair and also that gaming flair with awesome commentaries. Now, you should consider how you can blend the videos in it. And yeah, guys, this is all I have for today. I hope you guys learned something new from this video, and let's try to smash 10 likes as I asked before the video. And yeah, that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you so much for listening to me. This has been X1HD. I'm signing out, and I will surely see you guys in the next video. Peace.